Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Today we are going to talk about how to create login and then how to assign a basic permission to that login. So to do a demonstration, first of all just click on the server and click to your respective server. After passing all the authentication information, you will be connected to your server, right? Then what will we do? We'll create a fresh database. So just do a right click and click on a new database. You will see the pop-up like this. So I'm giving the name for my database login demo. So this is the fresh db, and I'm just creating for my demonstration purpose. I'm not going to change anything like recovery model or anything, just simply changing the name and clicking on ok. The moment I click on ok, the process will complete successfully and it will show me the db in a databases. Okay, let's wait. Perfect. So you can see here, just do a refresh and you will see the db name called as the login demo is appeared here. So this is the fresh db. Then what actually I need to do, I need to create the login. Basically there are two important things which we need to understand to understand the security stuff. The first thing is called as a login and the user. The login always deal with a server and user always deal with a database. So it's like a, if you want the entry in any city, it's like a login, and if you want entry in a specific house, it's a user. Oh, okay, so these are the two important things, login and the user. So it is very important to have the login. If you want to create the user, you can create the user without login, but that is a different stuff, that is a different concept. Okay, so first we need to create a login. Then how to do that? So simply click on a security, then there is a called as a login. Select it and just do a right click and click a new login option. The moment you'll click on the new login, you will see the two options. The first one is called as server authentication, second option is called as a SQL server authentication. So these two are very important. For example, you already have the Windows login into your system and you want to use that same credential or the same account in the login form, then you can go with the Windows authentication. I'll show that, but to make this video simple, I'm going to use the SQL Server authentication. So giving some username like Shrikant login demo. This is a request came from the user that please create a login name Shrikant underscore login underscore demo, and I'm giving some password like 123 okay. And these are the some option like, do you want to enforce the security policy? No, I don't. Do you want to change the basically password at the next login? No, I don't want to, because I just want, this is for demonstration. Then then you need to select the default database. I'm giving access to the master. Okay, and I'm not changing anything. I'm not changing the role. The default role will be public. I'm not changing the security labels, anything. Just simply showing you how to create the login with the login window. Okay, so here you will see the list of the db which basically need the access. We can change it later, so just click on a okay. So what's my login is Shrikant underscore login underscore devo and password is 123. Okay, click on okay. Now to verify this one, just click on a refresh and just expand the logins. You will see here Shrikant underscore login underscore demo. This is the new login just has been added into my system. So then just do a right click. Now you know we have created login, but we haven't told that which db need to have access for that. So just go to the user mapping. In the user mapping section, we'll see a list of all the databases which are available in on our server. So these are the all databases. So I'm giving a permission to the login demo. Then role, I'm not changing any role, just public. Then just clicking on OK. Now, go to your database. This one is the database login underscore demo. And if I'll go here in a security, I'll see that user now, Shrikant login demo. Okay, just to show you something interesting. Just go back and just go to the login again. Just do a right click, go to the properties, then go then user mapping once again, and just remove this. Click on OK. Now let's go back to the DB. Just do the refresh. You will see that user has been gone. So login information has been removed from here. So again, if you want to add, just go to the security, goes to the login, just click on the properties. Here go to the user mapping, then just check the login underscore demo. So what actually we are doing, we are assigning this DB to the to this login. Okay, just click on OK. Now everything is done, right? So what will we do? Actually, we'll again click on the connect, and here we will use this server, we'll use the SQL Server authentication, and the username we will be giving it as, what was our username? Just go back and let's take it out, this one, right? So this is my username, and now again what will I do? Now I'm going to open a session. So I think I will use this one, another session actually. This is the server, this is the username, password is 123. Now let's see what will we get. Actually, we successfully connected to the server. Okay, now then just expand it here and just try to see. Oh, this database is not accessible. So if you click on any DB apart from login underscore demo, you won't be able to access. This is the first thing. So basically we are only given access, right? Correct. Just click on this one also, no access. Now we'll expand this one, and in this one we don't have anything actually, right? So so what will I do? Actually, I do here, I'll go back to my master session, master account, this one. There I will go and I'll create one table here. This is the session which has all the access because I'll logging with SA, and it has a limited access. You can see the login name here. Here login name actually. Just click on a new query, and once the new query window will appear, there will simply write a small TSQL to create the table. Meanwhile, if I'll come here and if I see the security again here, let's say here users, I can see my login here. Just do a right click and we'll see what permission do we have. Properties. Okay, so we'll create table here. Create. So this is just a simple table actually. Just create it. Now I created this table and I'm going back to my login, and here if I'll come here and if I just do a refresh, this is my DB, then just do a refresh, go to the tables, You see this table is not coming here, and if I'll again come here and if I do refresh here, I can see this table is there, correct? So if I just basically this is the same db and the access. So simply select start from here, you will see here something has been there, the table will appear, and if you'll go back to your login and if you simply do a new query window, there you won't be able to query that because you don't have access, right? Now let's play around this. So same query I'm going to run it here on login demo. So if you try to read the error message, actually what is it saying? It is saying the select permission was denied on object Srikant underscore test. Okay, so why it is like that? Because we okay. Now let's go back and just give the permission. So this is my user and this is my master account. So again, go back to the security. Go to your respective login properties, and here if you see here what actually it is a server. Let's see the permission. This is the server level. So if I say it's a db admin or what, so basically if you want to give every permission, so just click on a sysadmin, click on a okay. Now come back here and just refresh, you see, because you are a system administrator. And now if you'll come here and if you'll try to run the same query in the next window, you will see. So I'm going to show you the different thing. This is the basically server role sysadmin. If you assign to that, then that user will have the all the permission. Okay, now what actually I'm going to do one thing, I'm going to add one role there. I'm going to show that denial, basically just basically he will be able to see all the tables but he won't be able to access it. So how to do that? To do that, just do a right click, just go to the properties, then server role. Instead of server admin, we make it as a public. Okay, then we'll go to the respective db level permission. Then this is the one, and go to your respective user. This is my user. Then go to the properties. Then we need to handle the db level role. So here we have actually membership, and here I want to show all the table, but I don't want to give him access. So how to do that? So there is a role called as the deny data reader, and if I make him owner, so he will have all the right. Just make it deny data reader and let's see what will happen. Again I'm going back here and again doing a refresh. Now see, I'm able to see the table. Now what I am going to do, I'm just copying the same query and opening the new fresh window, so the new permission will be taken effect. And then just do a execute. See the select permission. Now in the past case we was not able to see, then I have shown you how to see the table. Then I also shown you how I can see the table but I don't have access to open it. Oh, you see, and nothing. Then again go back to your master account. This is the one which master account. Just go to the properties. Now my requirement, I want to give access to all the objects. So what will I do? This one I will take as a data reader. So data reader is a kind of permission where the user can only access your table. So just come here and just do refresh. You can just see it here and just open a new window and just execute it. Now you will be able to see the table. But let's do a sub insert into value Srikant underscore test value. select one. So see what will happen. Will it get executed or error? Let's see. So this is the query I'm going to. So oh, insert permission was denied. So basically I can only see the tables, but I can't do the DML operations on that. So you can also cross verify here in the security, users, roles, users, sorry, properties. There we can see all the DB level mapping here, membership. So I am having role actually data reader. So instead of data reader, if I will have the data writer, so let's see what will happen. Let's go back to the sessions. This is the one, properties. Then I'm going to change the DB level role. Oh, so data writer. Okay, data writer we have assigned. Then just do a refresh. Now let's try to run this command in the same window. See here it is error. Just open a new session and just do a insert. Here also we have a error, right? So what is that? Insert permission was denied. Okay, let's go back again. So we assigned someone. Okay, so data reader I'm giving data reader. Okay, now let's go back and let's do that. Let's do the insert. Now let's see will it work in a previous session. Oh yeah, it worked, right? This is fine. So if I have this kind of role I can do that. Now the next question is actually uh, I have the DB and my requirement is I have multiple table. For example, I have this table only. Let's create another same table, Srikant test 2 table. Okay, now if I'll come back here and again I'll go back to my tables, I can just do a refresh. I can see 2 tables are there, but out of this 2 table I only need to have access for the one single table. So how to do that actually? How to do that? So you can just do one thing. Just go to the login properties, data reader. Just verify. So I'm giving the access basically for let's say I'm just removing all access. Let's say data deny data reader, and in the securables add that table here. Okay, object type basically table. Then here just select which table do you want to give access. I want to give access only for this. Okay, okay. So here window will appear. So I only give access for this one as a select. Okay, now let's go back and just do a refresh. Now let's see, I'm going to my DB. So you need to give some permission at the 7. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, then what will we do? We'll go to our database, this one here, tables. Here I can see the select permission was denied on the object. Okay, so this is basically, a lot of permission stuff. So we'll do one thing, we'll just make it as a public. Server level permission are okay. Let's check DB level permissions. Membership, just uncheck all. Now let's go back here, let's connect once. Login, tables, I can see all the tables. Now see, now we have only given permission for this table, so just make it select option. So you guys understood, right? So I may have multiple tables, so again I'm going to create one more table here just for demonstration. This is the third table, and if you'll come back here and just do a refresh, you will see that third table appeared, and just do a select top 200, you will see the permission has been denied. So it's very simple. Okay, if you want to give access to a single table, you just need to do what, you just need to create the login, right? Let me show you once again from the scratch. So for this one, just we'll do a right click, we'll create login. I am giving as a Shrikant 2222. This is my login. Then the server role, I'm not changing anything. User mapping, in the user mapping I just need to give access to the specific DB. Then click on OK. No change. Okay, this is the problem actually. So authentication we need to change. Password I'm giving to 123 123. I will show you how to create the Windows login. Then this is the OK. Now we'll go back to the earlier session. So this is, I'll click. Now see, this is the server, this is my new user ID, 123 is a password. Click on connect, it will ask me to change password. This is 123, again I'm changing. Now here go to the DB login demo tables. See, nothing is coming because I haven't given access anything. So again now I need to give the access, so just do a refresh. Now this is my new session ID, so let's check. Server level everything is fine. Server is okay, user is mapped correctly, correct, DB is fried. Then just click on cancel, then go to the DB, then go to the security, then go to the user, select your user, do the right click, properties. Then here we need to go to the securables, and in the securable just go search for the specific object. I just want to show him the table, so go to the browser, only this table, other two should not be displayed. Click on OK. Okay, this is fine. So which permission I want to give? I want to give only the select. Okay, now let's go back. Currently I'm not having any table, just disconnect this, just click on OK. Assign some give some password and just click once. Go to the your respective DB, then tables. See, only one single table is there. Then if you click on this, see what is the error, the permission was denied. Which permission? View server state. So again you're gonna need to go back, and you need to go to security, then users, then this is the user properties, then securables, this is the server. Here basically they are saying this permission are not there. Click on OK. Now let's go back, disconnect, click once, login, tables. See, all table appear. Now if I click on this and just do a select, what will I get? I get denied permission. If I do same thing for this another table, I'll get denied permission. But if I'll do select and if I'll just do a select top 100, I'll get that table access. Correct? So this is the short and sweet video to understand and to make you familiar with the login. So in next video I am going to show you how to use the Windows authentication in the login section. In this one we just use the SQL Server authentication. So hope you enjoyed our video related with the security stuff, and if you like our video, please don't forget to share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.